Hey guys, Jesse here from the AI Staff Success Team, and in this video, I want to tell you about a major opportunity to make some good money using chatbots that you can create using AI staffs, which you can then embed into your website or your client's website and charge a monthly fee. Now, doesn't that sound good? So people are dying to have their own version of ChatGPT or, an AI that is trained on their business, on their data. Not any and everything on the internet like ChatGPT that's trained on, like trillions of words. But they want something that's specialized and trained on everything about their business, their website, that would be able to serve customers or help internally for things like staff queries and so on. There's a ton of uses for chatbots. Now, I just want to show you. Take a look at this Google Trends chart over here. This is from the end of last year until May of 2023. And you can see there's this clear upward trajectory here. And if I just scroll down, you can see the related topics and queries. These are all based on ChatGPT and chatbots, right? And that is key here because you can see what people are really wanting is to be able to have their own version of an AI at their disposal. So how can you do that, and what kind of an opportunity is this? Well, let me show you something quick. I just did a little digging and pulled up some existing chatbots, right? And without mentioning any names or anything, this is like the average price that they're charging. We're looking at around anything from $100 to $150 or more. So if you really think about it, you could essentially do this, right? You could charge a business anywhere from, $99 to $150 a month to have their very own chatbot. And over and above that, you could have a tier system, charging more for added features, and you could also charge an initial setup fee of, $300 to $500, right? So let's do a quick calculation. If you're charging $99 per month, in a year, that's roughly $1,200. Plus the one-off setup fee of, let's say, $500, which you could easily charge. You're looking at potentially $1,700 off of a single client. And I guarantee you'll find dozens in no time once you present them with the benefits of their business having one. All right, so let's hop on over to AI Staffs so I can show you how to set one up. Now, I've gone ahead and done all of this ahead of time, so I'll just talk you through my process, right? The first thing I did was a bit of market research using one of the specialized AI staff just to get a bit of insight. So I hired Tracy Rainey, who is a product manager who is a highly skilled product manager with a passion for delivering innovative solutions that drive business growth. With a deep understanding of user needs and market trends, Tracy leverages her expertise in product strategy, design, and development to create exceptional customer experiences. Sounds like the right person for the job, right? Okay, so let's go in and check out the chat. So what I asked her was, I want to set up a business where I sell both online and offline companies a chatbot customized on their own data. Can you help me come up with a business idea, as well as a host of benefits to the company of having a custom chatbot trained on their own data? And this is what she came up with. That sounds like an interesting business idea. Custom chatbots can definitely provide a lot of value to companies. Here are some benefits you can highlight when pitching your services to potential clients. Improved customer experience. A custom chatbot trained on a company's own data can offer personalized and relevant responses to customers' inquiries. This helps create a more engaging and interactive customer experience, leading to higher customer satisfaction. Time and cost savings. By automating certain customer interactions through a chatbot, companies can reduce the need for manual customer support, freeing up valuable resources and reducing costs in the long run. Then we have increased efficiency, data insights and analysis, scalability, competitive advantage, and so on. Right, so what an amazing answer there. That's so insightful. And now I have a list of the benefits. So now I said, assuming that the chatbot I create has the ability to access information about their data and website and reply to questions that a user might ask and or submit, what kind of online businesses do you think would benefit the most from having a custom chatbot trained on their own data and website information? And this is what Tracy said. Certainly. In an increasingly digital world, various online businesses can benefit from having a custom chatbot trained on their own data and website information. Here are some examples of businesses that can leverage the power of a tailored chatbot. And here's the list of businesses. We've got e-commerce, travel and hospitality, financial services, online marketplaces, healthcare, and SaaS. All right, so I then asked for a list of 5 e-commerce examples just to point me in the right direction. And we've got a list of fictional businesses or business niches that I could then create this chatbot for, and a short example of how it could be implemented. So, an online clothing store, for example. This e-commerce platform offers trendy fashion apparel and accessories. A custom chatbot can assist customers with sizing and fit recommendations, suggest matching accessories, and even provide styling tips. Or an online pet store. A chatbot could offer guidance on choosing the right pet food, provide training tips, and even recommend pet-friendly travel destinations. All right, so I actually went and picked this skincare company as an example. Now, how could a chatbot work here? Well, it could give information about particular products or personalized skincare products, routines, and so on. So once you've picked out a niche or you have a business in mind, this is what you're gonna do. Here back in AI Staffs, click here on UAI. And this is where you're gonna create and train the chatbot. Now, the first thing is to create a directory. Now, why is this important? Well, a directory is a specific folder that will hold all the information and data that you want your UAI agent to learn. Now, just something to bear in mind is that right now, there is a limit of around 75 to 80,000 characters, which is around 11 to 20,000 words in total, which is actually quite a lot. But depending on the size of the websites, or if you're uploading a PDF of like 500 pages, you will need to break it up into smaller portions just for now. It is being improved, but for now, you'll have to break it up. Okay, so how do you import that? You've got 3 options here. If you have a PDF file or a docx file, you can just upload that over here. If you're just copy pasting information, for example, and you don't have a file to upload, then you can go here, you can give it a title, and then paste the information in the content section over here. Or if there's an existing website, which is what I'm going to be doing, you can go here to import website. You enter the website URL. So let me quickly copy that. Paste it here. And click import. And so what this does is it actually scrapes all the information from that website. It looks at all the pages, all the information, and it will analyze it and store it in this directory for it to use when a customer asks specific questions about products and so on. All right, so once that's imported, the next step is to create a UAI agent. Okay, so click over here. You can give it a name. Let's call it test bot. You can select a gender. I'll go with female since this is a skincare business. Then give it a short role. I'll say customer support agent. And then a role description. This customer support agent knows about skincare. You can get more detailed if you want. All right, then you don't have to, but you can upload a picture if you want. I've got one here, so let's load it up. And then click on Next. Now, this is an important part, okay? So here you need to pick the right directory where you uploaded all the information for the AI to use. So I put it in the support agent folder. So I'll select it and click Create. And the agent is created. So now I'll go back to Staff. And she's available to hire right over here. So you can go ahead and click Hire, and you can start asking questions. Or simply click here on the top right corner on these 3 little dots. embed code. You can just copy and paste this into the website code, and the chatbot will show up there just like this little widget here on the AI Staff website that the customers can now click on and ask questions related to the website that the AI is trained on. So that's it. It's super simple, super easy. There's no rocket science here. And you can do this over and over, charging $100 a month plus a setup fee, selling these chatbots to countless businesses. I'm sure by now you can also see the potential in this and what an opportunity this could be. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching and keep an eye out for the next video.